Today, we're making a delicious meat tagine with Meslalla olives. This is a superb combination of fork-tender meat smothered in briny olives. To start, combine olive oil, meat, grated onion, ginger, saffron, and salt in a pressure cooker. Cook for a few minutes before adding garlic and just enough water to cover. Cook on high pressure for about 45 minutes. I'll include an exact recipe in the description below. Then, it's time for the star of the show, the olives. Meslalla olives refer to a specific type of cracked green olive in Morocco that can be quite bitter. They're usually cured for weeks and boiled before using them in dishes like this one. In the US, these Moroccan green olives from Mina make an amazing substitute. I crack them, remove the pits, and soak them in water for about 30 minutes just to draw out some of the salt. They're delicious on their own, so they don't need to be boiled in the traditional way. I found that in old recipes for this dish, cumin, paprika, along with the herbs are added at the end of cooking, along with the lemon juice and olives, so that's what we're doing here. Cook for a few additional minutes before removing the meat while the sauce thickens. Garnish with preserved lemon and serve with crusty bread and enjoy. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!